Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the book Cycles. First of all, an introduction. My name is Bryan Cassady. I built 8 successful companies in 6 different countries. Working with 24 co-authors, we put together a great book. This book is about big ideas. We love people with big ideas. We worship people with big ideas. We wish they would just tell us the secret of how they came up with them. The confession that we've heard time and time again is, honestly, we didn't start with a big idea. It grew over time. So if you want to know the secret of building big ideas are built, big ideas are nurtured and made into something great. Based on 4 years of research with over 400 companies, we identified a process we call the ABCs of innovation. We labeled it the ABC so it's easy for you to remember. It's a process we all follow, maybe not explicitly, maybe that we're not even thinking about it, but it's something we all do. It's 4 steps. The first step is alignment. We figure out what we want to do. The second step is B, which is about building ideas, and it's about building ideas matching with what we want to do. C is about communicating those ideas and checking those ideas, seeing if they're any good, learning a little bit. And S is about systematically improving those ideas. And then we start and we go back to the beginning with alignment again. What makes winners better and different is they learn better. They move faster, they stick the course, they get better at every stage. If you read the book Cycles, we'll show you how to get better at every stage in the process. We'll show you how to move faster. Our promise to you is we'll help you move up to 6 times faster and take out up to 70% of the risk. If you work hard, you'll be the person with big ideas. Cycles is the book you need to read.
For more information, go to thecyclesbook.com. On this site, you'll find links to download free sample chapters and 29 easy-to-use canvases.